Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a healthy detoxifying beetroot juice using just 4 ingredients that's easy to find. This combination tastes absolutely delicious, so there's no need for added sugar. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To see how I put this all together, keep on watching. Here I have the fruit and vegetables that I'm using today. I have 1 large beetroot, 1 large apple, 3 medium-sized carrots, and a 3-inch piece of ginger. I've already peeled the beetroot and the ginger and thoroughly washed the apple and the carrots. You will also need a juicer of your choice. Let's get started. Now I'm adding the fruit and vegetables to the juicer piece by piece. You can cut those according to the speed and size of your juicer. What I have here is enough for a single serving, but if you need more, just simply adjust the ingredients. Once I'm done juicing, I just use a spatula to stir. You can pour over ice or drink as is. And there you have it, my detoxifying beetroot juice using just 4 simple ingredients. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.